In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watchers to tasks in ClickUp. If you want the right people to stay informed about a task without assigning it to them, watchers are the perfect solution. They receive notifications about key changes so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. Click the Login button in the top right. If you prefer, you can sign in with your Google account. Just choose the account you use for work. Once you're in, you'll land in your ClickUp workspace. Next, navigate to the task you want to manage. Use the left sidebar to drill down through your spaces, then folders, and finally lists. When you find the task you're looking for, click it to open the task view. This is the detailed panel or page where you can see the task's description, comments, attachments, and all of its settings. At the top of the task window, look for the small bell icon. This is the Watchers or Notifications menu. Go ahead and click the bell to open the menu. If you don't see it right away, make sure the task is fully open and you're not in a collapsed view. Inside the Watchers menu, choose the option to invite people to watch the task via email. Start typing the email addresses of the people you want to keep in the loop. As you add each address, you'll see it appear as a selected watcher. Take a moment to double check spelling so the invites go to the right people. Remember, adding someone as a watcher doesn't assign them to the task. It simply keeps them informed. When you're ready, click Send Invite. ClickUp will send notifications to those addresses and add them as watchers on the task instantly. From this point on, they'll be notified whenever something important happens. Here's what watchers receive: updates when the task changes, new comments are posted, due dates shift, assignees are updated, or the status moves forward. It's a clean way to keep stakeholders informed without overloading everyone in your workspace with alerts. If you ever need to remove or edit watchers, just open the task again, click the bell, and adjust the list. A quick tip before we wrap up: use watchers for key stakeholders, decision makers, or anyone who needs visibility but doesn't need to do the work. And try not to add too many people, or you can create notification overload. Thoughtful use of watchers keeps communication focused and your projects moving smoothly.